welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Priest activist Stan Swamy, arrested under anti-terror law in the Elgar Parisad case, died at a Mumbai hospital on Monday in the middle of the fight for bail. The 84-year-old Jesuit priest, who was shockingly accused of terrorism in India, as per his lawyers, had been on ventilator since Sunday after his health worsened. Ramp applicant's death has put the entire country in a state of shock. Goan social activists and well-known personalities have joined the rest of the country to express their anger.
I am of the opinion that we did not deserve Father Stan Swamy. I mean, the country did not deserve him. Our judicial system and the courts failed him. We live in times when any dissent against any state activity is treated as terrorism and anti-national activity. The courts failed to grant him bail because the Supreme Court has actually tied the hands of the lower judiciary and the high courts in something called the Vatali judgment. Father Stan fought for tribal rights and saw to it that those activists who are incarcerated in jail got bail. Many of the activists have been released due to his work, but finally he fell victim to his work. I am of the opinion that the only tribute we can give him is to work for barring the UAPA laws. We must work to disband the National Investigative Agency, and immediately our reaction, the society must see that all those who are arrested in the Bhima Koregaon case must be immediately released. A movement for release of all those arrested in the Bhima Koregaon must start. I am of the opinion that Father Stan Swamy's death must not go in vain. Father Stan Swamy's death must be used as a starting point to start this movement, to do away with the draconian laws and in fact disband the National Investigative Agency.
जे फादर स्टॅन स्वामीक हो आयज ट्रायबल लिडर आशिल्लो आनी झारखंड स्टेटान हो ट्रायबल लोकां खातीर तेंचे रायट्स झुजतालो. आयज जे आदिवासी कम्युनिटी तेंचे लँड रायटा लागून, फॉरेस्ट रायटा लागून आनी लेबर रायटाक लागून हो आयज फादर ह्या स्टेटान आनी दुसऱ्या स्टेटान वावुरतालो. तो नॉन इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ 5th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाक लागून तेंय झगडटालो. हें आयज कितें, हें 5th शेड्यूल म्हळ्यार कितें, जे ट्रायबल लोकांक, जे शेड्यूल ट्रायब जे आसा हेंचें जे कल्चर आनी इकॉनॉमीक इंट्रस्ट पळय आसा राखपा खातीर हें 5th शेड्यूल आशिल्लें. की फादर स्टॅन स्वामीक एरेस्ट करपाचो रिजन कित्याक आशिल्लो, तुमी मायनॉरिटी लोकांक काबार करपाची प्लॅन तुमी करपाक सोदता. ह्या ट्रायबल लोकांक जे 80% पळय आसा, हे पळय हिंदू कम्युनिटी आसा, हेंकां तूं काबार करपाक सोदता, हे गोंयच्या सरकारान सांगपाक जाय पडटलें. कित्याक हो जो मनीस आशिल्लो मायनॉरिटी समाजाचो आनी काम करतालो मेजॉरिटी समाजाचें, जे बारीक लोकांचे पळय तो काम करतालो, तांकां आयज तेंचे रायटाक लागून ST समाज ह्या लोकां खातीर, SC समाजाक लागून, ट्रायबल लोकां खातीर हो झुजतालो. आनी आयज आमकां तरी भरपूर दूख दिसलां, कित्याक हो जो मनीस 84 year old मनीस, ताका बेडाचेर जो हॉस्पिटलान आशिल्लो ताका चेन घालून, तेजे पांयाचेर चेन घालून आयज हे एक सुण्या भाशेन तेजो आयज ट्रिटमेंट करतालो. एक 84 year old वेल एड्युकेटेड प्रिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. आनी आयज गोंयान पळयल्यार तशेंच आसा. आयज रेल्वे एक्ट घालून लोकांक एरेस्ट करता. ROC एरेस्ट केल्ले, चांदोर एरेस्ट केल्ले, पणजे एरेस्ट केल्ले, फादरांकूय एरेस्ट करता. आमचो फादर बॉलमॅक्स तेका एरेस्ट करपाचो प्लॅन केल्लो. अशें करून हे जे डिसेंट जे आसा अंडर आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पळय रायट पळय आसा आमचो, रायट टू लिव्ह, रायट टू लायवलीहूड, हें आयज गव्हर्मेंट काडपाक सोदता डेमोक्रेटीक रायट. पूण हें जें आमी डेमोक्रेटीक रायट आसा हें राखपाचें काम जें आमी करता लोकांक, तांकां तूं काबार करपाक सोदतात म्हणल्यार हेजेर क्लियर कळटा की हो सरकार अनडेमोक्रेटीक आसा आनी एगेन्स्ट द मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी ऑफ इंडिया एंड एगेन्स्ट द ट्रायबल्स ऑफ इंडिया. आनी हे गोंयचे लोक विसरचे ना. आयज इलेक्शन लागीं पावता आनी इलेक्शन टायमाचेर आमी दाखयतले की हे जे पळय तुमी काम हे पळय मायनॉरिटीक आनी ट्रायबल लोकांक पळय तुमी
As a priest and as an activist myself, I feel sad and pained the way they have eliminated Father Stan Swami by playing with his health. Is it really an act of terrorism to stand up for human rights? Is it an act of terrorism to raise your voice for the voiceless, to raise your voice for the marginalized and the tribals? It is said that our system could not accord justice to the very man who was fighting for the justice of the marginalized. It is said that he had to die a martyr waiting to be bailed out for the crime that he has not committed. Whoever we are, whether we are activists or not, we feel pain, we feel sad. And we salute the martyr. And we hope that his life, his martyrdom, and his fight for justice will inspire many of us. And we pray that his soul rest in peace.
Funds are marked for the Sant Ines Creek restoration and cleaning, but by when will the implementation and this will be implemented, question the farmers union and local activists. The entire Sant Ines Creek is polluted, the water is contaminated, the flow of the water is stopped, and the well of the waste off and the sewage release in this creek has increased. This has resulted in water entering the fields and destroying the fields of Talegaon and nearby areas. Several assurances given, but in reality, nothing has been done.
The creek is like a lifeline to the city of Panjim. It goes to the heart of the city, and it's a connection between the fresh water and the salt water. It's basically all the rain which collects in the city and in the low-lying fields of Talegaon between the two highlands of Altin and Donapal. Dengue is on the rise these days, and when water fills into low-lying areas, then it causes all kinds of health and hygiene issues. We have to look at it from the point of view of the local person who's dependent on the creek as in connection to the fields and farming, and all the people who are in low-lying areas are joining the creek. Those are the most affected. So when there's heavy rain, the creek floods into their houses. So the solution has to be with concentration of people. You cannot have some plan which is from Spain or France imposed upon it. We are just ruled by like a building mafia, real estate mafia, and nobody really cares about the real son of the soil. So all the ad hoc planning, as we have seen in the Panjim, on the Talegaon ODP, you keep on building buildings after buildings, and those buildings have like say 200 flats and 200 toilets, or maybe two or three toilets per flat. Imagine all of them flushing together and at one time in the morning, and the amount of sewage just one housing society can generate. And if there is no proper way to treat that sewage, it ends up in stormwater drains, which are designed to take excess of rainwater. But sewage enters that, and it enters the fields.
20-30 वर्सां जाली फकत लिप सर्वीस त्यांची आयकता आमी. हांवें 3-4 तेंची प्रेजेंटेशन अटेंड केल्या. in the city with different intellectual, environmentalists, architects, सगळे farmers. हांवें अटेंड केलें आनी हांवें तेणी पळयलां तेंचे प्रेजेंटेशनान कसलीं तीं आश्वासनां दिता पळय ते आनी निमाणी एंड ऑफ द डे बरी चाव पिता बरें जेवण जेवता आनी चल्ले घरा उपरांत कांयच जायना हो स्ट्रेच हा सुमार 6 to 7 किलोमिटर ट्रीक आनी एका वर्सान हो जावचो ना उगडास दवर एका 4 वर्सांनी तरी पार्ट बाय पार्ट घेवचें पडटलें सिस्टमॅटिकली सायंटिफिकली हें काम करचें पडटलें रिटेनिंग वॉल्स रबल स्टोनान बांदचे पडटले सिवेज हुंयसर आउटलेट हा पॅक बंद जोण एकल्याचो कायदो जोण एकल्या आपणाची सिवेज ट्रीट करपाची आनी गव्हर्मेंट पासून एसिस्टंट दिता तुका सोकपीट मारपाक सेप्टीक टँक बांदपाक यू कॅनॉट रिलीज इन द वॉटर बॉडी हें जालें तिसरें तुका सिल्ट आहा तें सगळें काडून क्लियर करूंक जाय आनी वॉटर फ्लो सारको स्मूथ चलोंक जाय उदक काळें कित्याक जाता ही क्रिकाचें पयलो पावस पडलो म्हणटकूच सोकपीट सेप्टीक टँक गेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स इवन मे बी धाकटे बंगलो आहा तेंचे ते ओवरफ्लो जाता आनी सगळें उदक क्रिकान फ्लो जाता चड करून चान्सीस आहा उदक सिवेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटा कडेन थिंगासरलें उदक थोडें क्रिकान भितर सरता तें उदक सारकें ब्लॅक बेश्टें उदक इतलें ब्लॅक जावचें ना हेजी मारीन लायफ आहा ती आमचें सगळें नुस्तें आहा तें मरण काबार हांवें आतां पयलां थिंगा कामरापाटा कडेन नुस्तें वयर फ्लोट जातालें ओके हो इश्यू आतां कारण म्हणल्यार हें उदक सिवेज पळय खंयसर भितर सरता क्रिकान ती आमी बंद करूंक जाय व्हडलें काम न्हू तें थिंगासर आमी एक्शन घेवन ताका फायन घालून पंचायतीन आमी ऑलरेडी रेजोल्युशन घेतलां सरपंचान सांगलां जे कोण सोडटा पळय ते सिवेज तांकां आमी फायन घालतले पयले पावट आमी सांगलां 10,000 आनी दुसरे पावट 20,000 हे तो मेजर्स आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करिना जाल्यार हें बंद करूंक जावचें ना तुजी सिवेज कोणाची सिवेज जोण एकले सिवेज आपणे तरातार करूंक जाय तुवें वॉटर बॉडीजान आनी शेतांनी सोडपाक न्हू सिवेज खंयचोच देश खंयचीच कंट्री तुका एलाव करची ना.
However, reacting to the story published on Herald paper, Panaji MLA Babush Monserrat said that farmers' issues and cleaning of the Santanes Creek will be sorted out on priority watch.
So we already said that we have taken the matter with Smart City, and Smart City is going to do the Santanes Creek. The next, basically in the new manifesto, when we come out, Santanes Creek will not be mentioned.
So, but lot of farmers are saying that their crops are getting destroyed because of the Santanes Creek. All the waste is coming to their farm.
So that's the reason. See, we are going to start from the Panjim side of it. As far as Mithai Mandir and celebration is there, from there actually the creek will be starting. From there they will be starting to do the work. Then after this.
But how long it will take, sir?
See, all this while for the past 25 years, no one has done anything. We are starting. I cannot tell you how long it will take, but most probably within a year's time it should be complete.
Okay, Siddharth Kukarkar has been.
BJP leader and former Goa Legislative Assembly Speaker Rajendra Alekar is appointed as the governor of Himachal Pradesh. He is the third Goan to be appointed to the constitutional post of the governor. Alekar said that he has been informed about his appointment as the governor of Himachal Pradesh by President of India, Ramnath Kovind, on Tuesday. He said that a notification about the same will be issued.
राज्यपाल पद पर जाने वाला गोवा का मैं पहला नागरिक हूँ और कोई भी हो सकता है मुझसे गलती भी हो सकती है परंतु यहाँ से जाना और मुझ पर जिस प्रकार का विश्वास राष्ट्रपति जी ने रखा है प्रधानमंत्री ने रखा है हमारे गृह मंत्री ने रखा है और खास करके अपने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वरिष्ठतम नेतृत्व ने जो रखा है उसके लिए मैं उनका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ मुझे लगता है उसी के कारण मैं वहाँ जाकर कुछ ठीक ढंग से काम करूँगा जैसे मैंने पहले भी मैं यहाँ का विधानसभा का अध्यक्ष रह चुका हूँ जहाँ मुझे बायस रहना चलता नहीं हो तो वहाँ मुझे उसका अनुभव है मैं मंत्री रह चुका हूँ मैं यहाँ विधानसभा का अध्यक्ष रह चुका हूँ आमदार यानी विधायक रह चुका हूँ तो इन सब पदों पर काम करने का जो अनुभव मेरे पास है उस अनुभव का मुझे बहुत ठीक ढंग से यहाँ फायदा होगा.
Women from Goa came out forgetting about the pandemic at the Women and Child Welfare Office in the capital city to inquire about their long pending application of Latri Lakshmi scheme. Some of the applicants alleged that They have applied in 2017, but till date, they haven't received any benefit of the scheme, while some say there is no proper update. However, the director of the Women and Child Welfare assures to sort out all the issues on priority watch.
आम्ही नुसार हांगा देडाक आयिल्ली ओके देडा म्हणटकर ती पाळी लंच टायम ब्रेक दोना सुरू जातली पळय तेंच्यान ती फॉर्म आमी सबमीट केली पळय तेन्ना कुपन दिवपा आशिल्लें आमकां एक 1 to 15 नंबर घेवपा आशिल्लें उरलेली तुमी चला म्हणपा आशिल्लें कितें तेंच्यान तशें म्हणो ना आनी जी फाटल्यान येयल्ली पळय तेंची फॉर्म वयर दवरली आमची फॉर्म सबमीट केली फोनाक घातली आनी आमकां ती आतां 6 म्हयने दवरले हांगसर आनी आतां सांग ती मिटिंगे वचोंक जाय म्हणून
आता कांयच सांगना तुमकां
काय सांगना आमकां मिटिंगे वयता सांगती आतां आमी 20 जाणां उरला आमकां तुमी एक सायन मारून दिया न्हू
आमी अप्लाय केल्ली ती फॉर्मां ती तांकां मेळना
ओके आता तेमकां तेमी कितें सांगला तुका
एक विकान सांगता म्हटलं तेंच्यांनी की तुमची म्हणजे ते ये आनी व्हरा म्हणून अथॉरिटी धाडून दितात म्हटलं तेंच्यांनी आमकां येवपाची गरज ना अशें सांगलां तेंच्यांनी पळोवया
परत फॉर्मा अप्लाय बी करून सांगूंक ना
ना तशें सांगना
केन्ना येयले तुमी तर केन्ना
हांव 2 गेले ते आतां 6 जाली 6 सुमार ती अशें सांगता आमकां फॉर्मां मेळना म्हाजे फॉर्म आसलेले तेंचे कडेन ते आतां म्हणटा म्हाजे पयलीं फॉर्म खंय स्टार्टींग भरले ते फॉर्म तांकां मेळना
केन्ना भरलेले
2017 भरलेले ते फॉर्म तांकां मेळना खंय तो पर्यंत आमी ते पयशे ते हे करूं शकना म्हणून सांगता
आनी आतां आयज कोण येयला तांकां दिले अप्रुवल करून
आमी हांव सकाळी 12 गेलेले हांगासर पण म्हजें काम जावंक ना आनी म्हाजे फाटले लोक सगळे येवन गेले आनी म्हाका आमकां फॉर्म मेळना म्हणून सांगता
आमचे न्यू दिला तांकां दिले
हय
आनी पयलींच्या तांकां काय
काय
फॉर्मा शेणल्या म्हणून
फॉर्मा शेणले म्हणून सांगता
ती आता सँक्शन ऑर्डर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केली आणि सगळ्या लोकांक 10 दीस टायम दिल्लो 10 दीस टायम दिलो आसतना सगळी एक बरोबर पयलेच दिसा आयल्यात म्हणून मातसो प्रॉब्लेम जालो फाल्यां आमी सगळे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करतली 2 कावंटर करतली आनी आयिल्ले तांचे वयार करतली फक्त SOP सांबाळपा जाय म्हणून आमी मातशें तांकां आतां डिस्कस करपा लायले
मॅम थोडे म्हणटा की तेंची फॉर्मां शेणयला बी म्हणून
शेणची ना आसतली
2017ची
हय शेणची ना आसतली फक्त कितें जालां गोडावनान वचून सोदपाक जाय म्हणून ताणी मागीर यो म्हणलां
उरल्या फॉर्मा ती
आसा हांगा आसा गोडावनानूच आसा
Parts of the slab portion of the government primary school at Santa Cruz have begun to collapse. On Tuesday, another portion came down. Luckily, no casualties were reported. Watch these visuals captured by our chief photographer, Shagun Gowdy. Well, that's all we have in our today's news bulletin. For more updates, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel at HCN Goa or stay alerted on Facebook and Twitter by following O Heraldo. Until then, take care and goodbye.